Hey guys, good morning. What's up? It's Monday, January 2nd. Just doing a quick video. I'm in South Buffalo. Happy New Year, everybody. I'm by Mercy Hospital. Just want to show you guys what it actually looks like. How much the snow's melted. We got somebody in a rush to go nowhere. But here's like I said, all the snow melted. If you didn't stack it up in piles, you can see how much it melted actually. Pretty amazing. This is the Cazenovia Creek. This is what they're talking about. There might be some flooding going on, but realistically, there shouldn't be no flooding because of it's still real low, the creek. We got a foggy morning out, but that's the Cazenovia Creek right here in South Buffalo. And it's not high at all. But you can see some of the snow over here. This is a park. And anywhere that there was snow that was actually stacked or shoveled, snow plowed, it's still there. So it's pretty interesting. It continues to melt. We got a real foggy morning today. It's supposed to be nice here until Thursday. It's supposed to start cool down again, but no major snow in the forecast. Everybody have a great day. Thank you. Happy New Year.